Hi everyone, fellow engineers, good morning. And yep, this is Prof. Prince here. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you on how to install Docker. Okay, precisely Docker Desktop. So you are going to be installing this, be it on your Mac or on your Windows. But as you know, from the beginning of the class, I had recommend that you use Windows because Windows is more friendly with installation. So let's see what we do here. All right. So first thing first, just to open a browser. It's a pretty straightforward installation, so everything goes well. Then what? You just type Docker Desktop, okay? You can see I already have it here. There you go. See that? Docker Desktop, you can see. So this is the Docker website. By the way, so Docker, let's just look at what it says here, okay? This what Docker is the #1 containerization software for developers and teams. Okay, software. So it streamline development with similar Docker. Okay, and with what Docker desktop powerful container too. So we'll talk about what the container is. It's all about applications. You know how apps are built and shipped, right? So from here you can see that. So depending on your operating system, you can download for Mac, you can download for Intel chip Mac, Windows, okay, even for Linux. Wow, this is a new one actually. So let's just say we download for Windows. Okay, this one. See that? So oh, one second. Yeah, so you can see now that this installer has now been downloaded. So just open it. See that? And yeah, so at this point, see my screen can be different now. Check your internet connection. Yeah, so you can see now I selected run and okay, so this is my Docker at the moment. Okay, I think that give me a moment here. You can also search Microsoft Store, okay, and then select search for Docker Desktop. So that's Microsoft Store, and then you just click on install. Wait. This is downloading, right? Yeah, you can see that it's fully downloaded. So Microsoft Store again is you can see how large the file is, right? It's more than half of a gigabyte. So this is 618 megabytes. So that's how much space is going to occupy on your system. Okay, so now you can search Docker Desktop because it's been downloaded. Docker what? Docker. Yeah, desktop. See that? There you go. Now let's wait here first. You can see it's almost done installing, so we just wait, okay? Installing is almost done. So by the time it's done, we should see it. So you're going to see a prompt is going to appear on your computer asking you whether you want to allow changes to your laptop, to your system. Just click yes and allow the installing to continue. I think doing the installation from Docker Desktop is the best, right? So you're going to see, oh, installer. Okay. So we are installing. version. So this is a version that we're installing, right? Version, Docker desktop version 4.43.2. So we just wait for it to go through. You're gonna see that. Okay, wait for that to go through. To run completely. Now you can see, okay, the installation, all right, is complete. So again, what's the step, right? You just go ahead to Microsoft Store, you type Docker Desktop and click on download and allow it to run. Make sure you have very good internet connection. And also you have at least, at least 10 gigabytes of memory available. Not 10 gigabytes, sorry. Yeah, it's 10 gigabyte of disk space available. Memory too needs to be available, a good amount of it, at least 4. Otherwise, it's not going to go as you really intended, okay? So now you just go to your search bar again, and of course, what? You see that? Now you can see this is Docker desktop here, okay? Click here. And so now you're going to see it's going to open up, right? Right, so you can see this is now done. So why is this completing? Actually, it's successful at the moment, but it's still taking a while to come up fully. Allow it to run, right? So while that is coming up, let's quickly look at how to sign up for Docker Desktop, right? And you're going to see. So if you click on Docker Desktop, sign up, it's very easy, right? Just what? Go on to continue with Google, select that, and then select an email account that you like to use. So let's say I use this email, right? And oh, 1 second. There you go. Okay, that's it, right? So now you can add username, call it LionTech. Okay, then of course what? Properly sign up. Oh, taken already. 2026-01. Okay. Okay. Digits on there. Take away that one. And you can see. So now we are signed up, right? So a code is been sent to this email, and I have to go check it out. Again, you can put a name there. I can call it prof and mean. No digits. All right. And then sign up. Oh, already taken. 20, no, they just do what? 2026 tech. Okay. This is what's available, the name. And then see that quote been sent to my email. And so I just come in here. Actually, my Gmail is opened. You can see it's loading. See that this is Docker, complete Docker desktop. And so see there's a code talking about. Let's come here and I paste it, right? Verify. And you can see now. So this is now my Docker desktop, my Docker okay, Docker Hub account. And you can what? You can download your Docker desktop directly from here as well. See that? Click here. And you can see here's what open Docker desktop. And you can see this what Docker desktop app is launched. So you just wait for it to come up. Okay, like that. So once you log in there, you can open your Docker desktop. If nothing happens, you may need to download from here. Okay, so just wait for it. But the instructions and everything is pretty much very, very clear. There shouldn't be any kind of ambiguity on that one. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. Sometimes, so you may just need to restart your system, right? So when you restart your system, more space is made available for the application, and that makes a lot of sense. Great. Yep, that's it. And you should be good.